All right, today we're gonna bring 100 feet water hose. Look how thin. This is a silicone or rubbery substance, and the heads are made of brass. They give you 100 feet. They give you the actual nozzle too. We're gonna test the nozzle out. It's in here, embedded in here. And here's a nozzle with plenty of different features on it. They give you plumber's tape and these rubber washers. All right, so just in case you got some leakage, you go always put them in here, and this is where they go. You see that rubber washer? That's one of them right now, and I would recommend you maybe you want to need another one so it won't leak. All right, this prevents from water leaking out. They also give you a faucet hanger so you could hang the whole water hose, but we have one already. We're not going to use this one. This is made of plastic. You could easily mount it on the existing water hose. If you guys are an existing plumbing area that you have, your hose area, your faucet area. And this is durable. It looks durable, outdoor graded. It's gonna last you for many years. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna hang it out in the front and see how well it works. We're gonna test it out and water our garden with it. So let's go ahead and do that. We actually use it today, so we have this for. Here's a nozzle, and we are in the center right now. So the center, we're gonna change it out to 1.5 mist angles, which it goes in side angle. All right, just soaking in the jet. We're not super high right now, so I'm gonna turn it up right now, but there's a cone, shower. This is my favorite one, shower, and then flat, and then full, and back to center. So easy to install, easy to use, flexible. You also have this to turn it off here and not forget to turn it off. Look at that. So you have an option to turn that off on the nozzle. I got 100 feet of water hose, plenty of water hose, very thin. I like the thinness of it compared to my old one. It's thicker, it's heavier, it's a lot lighter to move around. It doesn't tangle as much as the other one. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.